Hi, this is Emil with WTI and this right here is my Eureka stick vacuum cleaner. Let me please tell you why I like this product so much. It is because even before the pandemic started, we have always had at home the habit of as soon as we get back home, we would always take our shoes off and walk barefoot inside of a house. But at the same time, we dislike so much the feeling of walking on a floor that feels dusty and with particles in it. So we got this product for that, and let me tell you, it does an amazing job at keeping the floor clean, dust-free, and particle-free. We also use it in the car, and let me tell you, we have a 4-year-old son. You know what that means? There will always be breadcrumbs, crackers all over the place, and it's kind of difficult to remove these things, these smaller things that fall into the floor by hand, especially because of the carpet that they use is like a magnet for these things. But with my vacuum cleaner, I can remove them all without a problem. It has a very long cord, which means that you can plug it in one spot in a room and you can cover it entirely. When I use it in the car, I plug it in one spot in the garage and I can cover the 4 doors, the trunk without a problem, without having to be plugging and unplugging at every second step that I take. It has many accessories, interchangeable accessories, which means it is a very versatile product. We really like this product. This is Emil with WTI and this is my point of view.